Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with SunTrust Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with SunTrust Bank, start by creating an account if you don't already have one. Visit the SunTrust website or download the mobile app from your app store. Open the app or log into the website using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tools section. Here, you will find various features designed to help you track and manage your finances. Start by linking your bank accounts and credit cards for a comprehensive view of your finances. This will allow you to see all your transactions in one place. Next, categorize your spending to get a better understanding of your expenses. Common categories include housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. After categorizing, review your monthly spending patterns. Identify areas where you can cut back or adjust your spending. Set realistic financial goals for savings or debt repayment. Use SunTrust's budgeting tools to create a budget plan based on your income and expenses. Monitor your budget regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Consider setting up alerts or notifications to remind you of important budgeting milestones. Finally, adjust your budget as needed to reflect any changes in your financial situation. With these steps, you will be on your way to effective budgeting with SunTrust Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.